this is a day in our life on a Saturday.
Outside, Ryder, get outside.
Noah wanted HuliHuli, so that's what I'm doing, HuliHuli. Makeshift. Okay, first flip. All right. We're going every 3 minutes. We're on the final leg of this HuliHuli adventure. Let's see. Oh boy. I think are there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Alright, for this Saturday, we just had a last minute plan. We are now here at Alcatraz with the boys. We got Ez and them over there. We're gonna go do some Harry Potter escape room. Let's go. So we just finished wow, bro. So we just finished that Alcatraz escape room. We did Wizardry Hysteria. We finished it. It's an hour time limit. We finished it in just under 40 minutes.
World record time.
Because we're amazing. So now we're at IHOP to get some coffee before Bountiful goes back to Bountiful and we go back home. Alright, so then we're gonna close the night with IHOP. I got you.
How much good for you?
100 grams. Milligrams of caffeine. We took it, and that sucker went straight to the bloodstream, bro. So that's what we're dealing with now.
Kevin says he's gonna make my right eye.